In this video, we'll compare consulting. So when it comes to the consulting, all the IIMs, SPJN, FMS, you'll find a similar kind of a jobs everywhere. But we always want to know which is the top college. IIM A versus B versus C. In this list, in this video, we'll talk about how to compare, how they stand when it comes to the consulting. So I have worked in consulting for a few years. So if you join a choti moti consulting firm, your main job will be implementation. But if you join McKinsey or BCG, your main job is advisory. दोनों में बहुत फर्क है, कंसल्टिंग, एडवाइजरी और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में. कभी गूगल करना आपको आइडिया आएगा. सी मैकेंजी फॉर एग्जांपल, मैकेंजी सेज टू द क्लाइंट, प्लीज डोंट हायर अस फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. हम तुम्हें एडवाइस देके निकल जाएंगे बिकॉज यू कांट अफोर्ड अस, वी आर सो एक्सपेंसिव, यू कांट अफोर्ड अस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई कंपनी वॉज चार्जिंग, आई यूज टू वर्क इन CBC कंसल्टिंग. सो CBC यूज टू चार्ज around 800 pound per day to the client, 800 pound to 1000 pound to the client for a junior consultant. I was a senior, I was a consultant, not senior consultant, ASCON, assistant consultant. मैं याद नहीं यार मैं क्या पोजीशन था, assistant consultant. And for a junior consultant of Accenture or McKinsey was charging 1600 pound, double rate थी. That's the difference. So they tell the client कि आप हमें afford नहीं कर पाओगे, तो implementation के लिए CBC को ले लो, for planning, for advisory, take McKinsey or Bains. This is what they used to do. Anyway, coming to the point, we are too small to compare these colleges, but just to have a fun, just to make us everything understand. So number 3 on my list from the consulting point of view is IIM Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad is coming up like anything from consulting point of view. Earlier the number of companies used to be less, but now IIM Ahmedabad is coming up, no doubt about this. Again, it's not bad यार, तुमने आधी कंपनियों का नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा. The kind of companies which are coming for IIM Ahmedabad for placement, most of them you have not even heard of. Yeah. So number 3 is IIM Ahmedabad. Number 2 on the list is IIM Calcutta. Yeah. So IIM Calcutta is number 2 on the list from the consulting point of view. And number 1 on the list is IIM Bangalore. From years and years together, IIM Bangalore always been number 1. For example, if I compare A and B, 131 students got summer placement in consulting at IIM Ahmedabad and around 140 plus students got consulting in IIM Bangalore. बहुत फर्क नहीं ज़्यादा है, 130, 140 ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. But just to rank them, IIM Bangalore, number 2 IIM Calcutta, number 3 IIM Ahmedabad. But IIM Ahmedabad consulting is equally good. Trust me, yaar, you can't compare that. Please don't take my word कि एक consulting बेकार है, नहीं. एक का consulting is equally good. But number of opportunities more are in IIM Bangalore. So if you want consulting and if you have a choice between A and B, go for Bangalore from that point of view. All the best.